As a gardener, I get a lot of one type of produce all at once, and at times I struggle using everything I pull out of my garden at its peak ripeness. So I was looking for an affordable, good performing juicer I could add to my lineup of tools in the kitchen to preserve and process my produce. I'm bringing the camera along for the unboxing and first use of the Tuumiist juicer. I was able to read through the quick start guide and user's manual and get things set up within about 15 minutes. The first thing I tried was lemons from my backyard lemon tree. This brings me to the first thing I love about this juicer. It's very quiet. The juicer has a wide mouth 5.3-inch feeding chute, making it easy to load up and add your fruits and vegetables. It comes with a pre-marked 1000 milliliter cup for the juice, as well as a cup to capture the pulp. The second thing I love is how easy it is to save the pulp that results from the juicing process. If you have a garden and compost, or have chickens or a worm compost bin, the pulp is a great byproduct packed full of nutrients and organic material to feed back into your system. Finally, I love the idea of being able to save money and reduce waste by juicing any produce that needs to be used before it goes bad. Fresh juice is such a great thing to have on hand and add to a healthy lifestyle, and there's a huge benefit of saving money by not tossing away expensive produce. I'm very happy with how well built this juicer is and how easily it processes everything from spinach to carrots and everything in between. So if you're looking for a good juicer, I'd highly recommend checking out the Tuumiist cold press juicer. It comes in several colors and made with BPA free materials. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.